Hi guys, here 9 plus 3 is 12 square divided by 8 plus 7 times 2 minus 6. Here 12 square is 144 divided by 8 plus 7 times 2 minus 6. Here 144 divided by 8 is 18 plus 7 times 2 minus 6. Here 18 plus 7 is 25 times 2 minus 6. Here 25 times 2 is 50 minus 6. Here 50 minus 6 is 44 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 44 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So here 9 plus 3 is 12. This square divided by 8 plus 7 times 2 minus 6. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here as 12 square. The 12 square is 144 divided by 8 plus 7 times 2 minus 6. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication and division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 144 divided by 8. We have to do this before this operation. So here 18 plus 7 times 2 minus 6. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here 18 plus 7 times 2 is 14 minus 6. Here we have addition and subtraction. Addition and subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 18 plus 14. 18 plus 14 is 32 minus 6. Here 32 minus 6 is 26 is the correct answer.